Asset maintenance and facilities management, eh? We all know what a hassle it can be sometimes, especially when there's 101 other things to do. So imagine how awesome it would be if you had a superpower, a power that would allow you to see the issues that needed addressing before your very eyes, whatever they were. Well, the good news is that power is available to you today, thanks to those clever boffins at Altuity who have created AutoSites. A superpower to wipe out your data management enemies once and for all. And there's no need to visit a secret location disguised as a country mansion to get hold of it. It's all here, in a neat bit of software. And you don't need a special phone or a secret signal to find out more. Just visit this website to get your hands, or should I say eyes, on it. It's what every unsung office superhero needs. Can I have my phone back now, please?